In this video, I will show you two beautiful paintings and Gozo. Let's get started. And at the end of the video, there is the most beautiful painting in the world for you. Be patient until the end to see it. I was drawing a girl a long time ago, but I still have to add a few details to it. That's what I was doing at first. I saw a picture like this on Google and got the idea from there. The painting is finished. Now I'm removing the masking tape. This is a boring part. Look how beautiful it looks. I really liked it. Let me know what you think in the comments. I will do that beautiful painting in the drawing book at the end of the video. So let's start drawing Gozo. I wanna share you how to draw Gozo. This is part of a calculator. I first took Gozo on paper, then I was shading it with marker pen. It was a lot of fun to draw. I enjoyed it so much. This is not my calculator. This is one of my niece's calculators. He likes Gozo so much. This is how I created this Gozo. It is the final result. So let's do that painting now. It will be a painting of a waterfall. It will be accompanied by beautiful nature and greenery. I'm filling the sky with beautiful blue color. I was making azure by mixing blue and white. And now I am painting a beautiful sky with blue or sky blue paint. Now I'm drawing clouds in a very simple way. Before I couldn't draw clouds correctly, and now it's very easy for me. The clouds are finished. Now it's time to move on to the next step. I sketched this entire scene out a little so that it would be easier for me to draw the picture. Now I'm working on the waterfall. I'm trying to represent water with white paint. Now it's ready. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next video. Goodbye.